Are you all? Hope everyone pink in health and safe at home. I am Suman Kriti, working as life skills and functional English trainer at Koilakundla, Kurnool. Well, coming to the topic, writing a leave letter. A leave application is a letter to the concerned authority to take a break from routine visit to the school. The reason for taking leave could be illness, marriage, visiting out of station, or any other personal reason. Leave letter for school is the application letter written by students of the school of to their principal or class teacher to get leave from school for the short term. Before the advent of modern technology made communication so easy, the art of writing a leave letter was considered an important requirement. Even today, a letter is an important means of communication in both the workplace as well as our personal lives. Coming to types of letters, let us first understand that there are broadly two types of letters, namely formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters. These letters follow a certain pattern and formality. They are strictly kept professional in nature and directly address the issue concerned. Informal letters. These are personal letters. They need not follow any set pattern or adhere to any formalities. They contain personal information or are a written conversation. Informal letters are generally written to friends, acquaintances, relatives, etc. Business letters. This letter is written among business correspondents. The important things to be mentioned in a leave letter are address, subject, reason for your leave, period of leave or number of days, contact information. The parts of letter. A letter is made up of different parts, and when they combine, a letter becomes whole or complete. These parts can be called layout of letter or elements of letter. There is a simple format for any leave application which includes the following pointers: recipient name or heading, subject means purpose of the leave application, the salutation, and the main body of the content means mention your details, reason, leave period, any additional related details, closing line like yours sincerely, thanks and regards, etc. Coming to heading. The heading goes at the top right side of the page. The left letters are lined up with each other. Notice where commas go in the address and in the date. The salutation or greeting. After heading, skip a line and align to the left. Respected principal or sir or madam. While writing a leave application for school, it is important to mention the subject and proper reason for leave. Application for leave. After the salutation comes the subject of the letter. In the center of the line, write subject followed by a colon. Then we sum up the purpose of writing the letter in one line. Next, coming the body of the letter. The body is where you explain why you are writing. It is the main part of the leave letter. Generally, in paragraph 1, you need to tell your details to the class teacher and inform him or her your need for a leave of absence from school. Also, mention the number of days with the date, if possible, and state a valid reason for asking leave of absence. While writing a leave letter, the closing. After your body, skip a line and align to the right. In the closing, the first word is captured and you put a comma after the last word. Some examples of closing is where is yours sincerely, yours faithfully, yours obediently. And coming to signature block. The signature is the last part of the letter. You should sign your first and last names. There could be multiple reasons to apply leave. While writing a leave letter, write the letter in a polite manner which expresses your appeal of leave and which sounds genuine. Mention the reason clearly for which you are applying for leave. The resonance of the letter should be reserved. The letter should be concise and to the point. Cross check with spelling mistakes or pronunciation errors. The letter should state the relationship between the child and the sender of the letter. In the case of students, it is necessary to apply for leave to avoid any difficulties in their assessment process. Student or parents can write a leave application format because of illness of the student. So the causes will be for fever, for flu, for viral infection, for cold and cough, for stomach pain, stomach ache, whatever. And students or parents can write a leave application format because of the illness of the student. There could be multiple reasons to apply leave. If you are student and have any necessary work to at home because of which you cannot attend the school the following day, in such a case, a casual leave application can be written asking the principal of your school or application for sisters or cousin or brother's marriage. Students may have to visit to some place which is out of the town to attend some function, or you may be going out for a family trip. Therefore, it is required for them to inform the principal or class teacher for how many days you will unavailable. So you can write like this. And sometimes you can state leave letter of death in the family. And also you can write application for leaving school early too. Thank you.